Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how to buy Robux from Play Store balance. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, it's very simple. What you have to do is just go ahead and press on Play Store. And right over here inside Play Store, what you need to do is just simply press on your profile right over here on your account. And it's just basically you just need to go to confirm your payment settings right over here, and you need to just make sure that you got your payment methods and your balance. So right over here you'll see the option of payments and subscriptions. Go ahead and press on that, and just make sure that you have added payment methods and you got money on your account. Without that, you cannot directly buy Robux from your Play Store balance. And then what you need to do is just go ahead and open up Roblox, and here we go. Now inside Roblox, what you need to do is just simply go to this Robux section over here, and simply buy how much Robux you would like to buy. So let's say this one right over here. So if you press on it, it will directly take you to your Google Play. Now right over here, you just need to add your credit or debit card info, and once you add it, you'll be directly buy it from your Play Store balance. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.